Hi students, so let's learn today subject maths, and today's topic is let's find the shapes. Standard 2 part 1 and page number is 1. Okay, maths textbook page number 1. Okay, so let's see students, let's learn, let's find the shapes. So a picnic on Sunday. So there is a Sunday, there is a holiday. So on holiday there is a picnic students in a fresh farm here. Okay, the picnic is in a fresh farm here. Okay, and all shaped veggies. You can see there are many veggies. Veggies means what? Vegetables. So all shaped, different shaped vegetables are there. You can see brinjals are there. Okay, tomatoes are there, capsicums are there, then carrots are there, etc. Means all shaped veggies vegetables are there, so we could find there. So on a picnic on Sunday in fresh farm, here we can find all shaped veggies. Okay, so see next students, you can see students, when he dug the soil, when he means the dog, when the dog dug the soil, Mota had found cold like carrots. You know, there is a one dog, his name is Mota students, and he found cone like carrots. He found a carrots in the farm. Okay, and what is the shape of the carrots? The shape of the carrots is cone. Okay, and under the ground you can see the carrots are found. Where he found the carrots? The Mota found carrots under the ground. After when the dog Mota dug the soil, then he found cone like carrots under the ground. Okay, so first shape of vegetable what which we found here students, the carrot. And what is the shape of the carrot? Cone. See next now, Yash brought tomatoes red and round. You can see students, there is a one boy, his name is Yash. Okay, and he brought tomatoes red and round. You can see the color of the tomatoes is red. Okay, and its shape is round shape. Okay, some long brinjals also he found, and also in this farm, Yash found some long brinjals also in the farm. Okay, but second shape which we found here, it is round shape. Okay, so which tomato shape is round? Okay, second shape we found here is round. You can see students here, there are tomatoes, its shape is round, and you can see also long brinjals are also there. Also long brinjals Yash found in the farm. See next students now. Okay, Rama got cucumbers. There is one girl, her name is Rama, and she got the cucumbers green and fresh. You can see in her hand there are cucumber students. In her both hands there are cucumbers. How the cucumbers are? The cucumbers are green and fresh. You can see the cucumbers are green and fresh. Okay, some straight cylinders. You can see these cucumbers are, some are straight. Okay, is cylinder, like a cylinder shape. Okay, and some bent at the waist. You can see some cucumbers are bent at the waist. Okay, so see next, turmeric from a tree and a little bit of garlic. You can see students here. Okay, turmeric from a tree and a little bit of garlic. You can see there is turmeric trees also there, and there you can see garlic also you can see there. Okay, was all that Gumpu and Pussy could pick. You can see, so the Gumpu means there is a one monkey. You can see. Okay, he is holding turmeric. Okay, on a tree. Okay, so he is playing with the turmeric, and there is one cat is also there. Okay, and she is playing with the garlic students. Okay, so turmeric from a tree and a little bit of garlic was that all Gumpu and Pussy could pick. So this Gumpu pick up this turmeric and this Pussy pick up garlic from the farm. Okay, you can see here students. Okay, see next now. Then Mama roasted rotis. You can see for picnic Mama roasted rotis for the picnic. Then Papa cooked veggies. You can see there is a Papa, the children's father is there. The Papa cooked veggies. Papa made vegetables for them for the picnic. Okay, and the children are saying that such a nice picnic. This is very nice picnic. This is very beautiful picnic. Okay, could we come again? They are saying that could we come again, please? at last they are saying that please could we come again for this picnic, this very beautiful picnic. Okay, so this is over, students. So which shapes we found here today, which shapes we learn? Okay, so we learned first shape. Which first shape we learn? The first one is carrots. And what is the shape of carrots? The shape of the carrot is cone shape. Okay, second one which we learn, second one is tomato. What is shape of tomato? Tomato shape is round. Okay, tomato shape is round. And third one what we learn, third one is cucumber. Okay, so and what is the shape of cucumber? Cucumber shape is cylinder. Okay, students, so this is all about, let's find the geometrical shapes. So we found geometrical shapes, cone, round and cylinder. Okay, students, so this type we found the geometrical shapes. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please subscribe, like and share.